Welcome back. Yeah, my name is Ilvis, and now it's been already 3 or 4 months since I'm living in Norway, and yeah, since
2 hours later.
yeah, all my adult life, as I can remember, since 16, 18 or 20 years, when I 20 years old, I was buying and selling things. Buying, selling, buy and sell, buy and sell. It's also named flipping things. So that's what I like to do. I like to buy and sell things for profit. And now, since I'm here in Norway for some time already, and I'm curious and interested how it would be if I could buy and sell, buy and sell, buy and sell things here. So yeah, and yeah, the most what I like about it, it's about meeting new people, about experience, about learning things, about learning people, how they act, how they react, and just in general how to buy and sell things. That's what I like to do. So yeah, I'm not setting my how to say, I'm not setting a goal right now that I want to earn million like in 2 hours or something, but I just want to try to flip things. And it doesn't matter if it's a car, if it's wheels from cars, or if it's any other things which is possible to buy on the second-hand market or aftermarket. So and if I can earn something on it, it's just good plus, and yeah, to have some pocket money or something. So the main thing, yeah, it's just about to buy and sell things, and try to earn some money, maybe just, you know, yeah, without setting some high goals, just to try how it is, and if it goes well, then we'll see what we can do with it. But so far I have spent my first 12,000 Norwegian krones. Yeah, and you can see what I bought for that money. So right now you can see what I spent my money on. Oh no, sorry, not this one. So yes, that's Volkswagen Touran 2005 model with 1.9 turbo diesel. Turbo. Turbo diesel with 77 kilowatts and 105 horsepower. Pow! Yeah. That car cost me 12,000 Norwegian kroners, which is about 1,000 euros if we convert to euros. So I would say that's a good purchase for the money. It's a lot of the car for this money. So it's 5-seater. It has 286,000 kilometers on a dash. Yeah, around 10,000 kilometers back was changing the main belt, the water pump, and most likely something else. I actually wasn't reading the all of the equipment what was changed, but still. So yeah, that's my first item, first car, which I want to flip and maybe have some profit on it. So we'll see. Yeah, it's the first time I have Volkswagen Touran. I had many cars before, really a lot of cars before, but it's first time for me to have in my personal use the Touran. What I can say now, I have driven it for, let's say, 20 kilometers maybe. It's a good car, it's a nice car, I like it. Yeah, it has air control, valid for 1 year still, but most likely I want to fix new air control before I sell it. In Norway, air control is given for 2 years. So for example, in Latvia, where I'm originally from, we have only 1 year. Every year you have to pass new air control. But here in Norway, it's once per 2 years, which makes it way better.
A few moments later.
We are going to workshop now. I called my friend and asked about possibility to check the car. What's wrong with the car, where the extra sounds is coming from, because there is some extra sounds from the exhaust, sorry, not from the exhaust, but from the suspension. So there is some tuk 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 tuk. So we are going to see, not we, but he's going to check what is knocking in there. Everything is safe and sound here. So we just took fast look, and everything is okay here. We have to change that it's called bushes or something like that. Also here it's mounted not correct. It's a new day, and yesterday we was at the workshop, checked the Touran. It was way better than I expected. The channels are without rust, and in general car is kind of rust free, so I'm surprised in a good way. So that's really nice. And for air control we need to change 2 bushes. This one, it's left and right side, so those, and also braid hose. Yeah, bremse slanger in Norwegian, if I am right, I don't know. So yeah, and for those 3 parts I paid 815 kroner, which is around, I don't know, 70 euros, but that's with some discount because of the smile, of course. So so far it's going well. I'm waiting for 2 more parts, which is head gasket top cover, which cost me 25 euros, something like that. And also some small plastic thing which is leaking coolant a little bit. It's not critical, we can skip it, we cannot change it, it will be totally fine, but it costs 7 euros or 6-7 euros. So and the mechanic said that it's not a problem to change it either, so that's why I'm thinking it's better to buy it and change it, so I'm sure that everything is okay.
2 hours later.
Good start. Really good start. It shows me to check coolant. Okay, I will. Hello. I just took the car from the workshop, and yeah, I have fresh air control, so now it's valid for 2 years, and that's great. It wasn't so much work with it. There was only a few suspension parts which must be replaced, We changed actually also some small plastic thing where was coolant leakage, not big, but just a bit. So I think that's why now it's showing up also. So yeah, maybe just through the system went all the coolant now, and there is a bit missing. So I'm not sure, but I will check now. I'm going to clean the car, change rims.
It's one off. And imagine the hood. You saw the hood. Imagine that the hood is in 6 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you take this one first.
I'm not sure how this camera will take because it's not the. But in general, I see the difference. Yeah. That's the most important.
That's the most important.
So. Good morning. It's new day, and I just took car from garage and saw it kind of first time so clean in the daylight. I know it looks really good. I really like the result. Yeah, car was polished by my friend, by my colleague. I did only small part of the hood, but the rest he did. And yeah, it's really good result with the car. I like the way how it looks now. So yeah, I just took it from garage, and I'm going to take pictures. We have arrived to the place. Yeah, I'm done with the pictures. You can see the result. And yeah, let's count a bit the cost of what I have spent to have car ready like this. The car cost me 12,000 Norwegian krones. The owner change was 1,800 Norwegian krones. Insurance for a month was 1,100. All the spare parts was 2,700. All the spare parts together. I paid the mechanic for the work 2,900, and 1,000 I just fueled to have it a fuel tank for nice pictures, and also that when I'm selling the car, so the new owner are happy with the full tank. So in total, the car cost me 21,500 Norwegian krones, which is 1,840 euros. Yeah, I think that's maybe not the best, but really, really good amount of money. No, it's really good car for this amount of money. And yeah, I'm more than sure that I can make out some profit out of it. So the car is going on Finn. That's the Norwegian platform for selling cars. So that's going on Finn today. And probably the asking price will be 35,000 Norwegian krones. We'll see. I think it's good price for the car, and I'm setting the price from the point of view that if I would like to buy a Touran, and if I would look for one, I would be ready to pay 35,000 for a car like this. So that's why I set the price of 35,000. And yeah, it's been, I think, not full 2 weeks since I owned the car, and the result is quite incredible actually, because the car which I bought 2 weeks ago and the car what we have now, it's I don't know, two completely different cars in my opinion. So yeah, most likely I will inform you about the sale, how lucky I was with it, but so far I can tell that that's the end of the first FlipME episode, and I'm looking forward to make more and more FlipME series. So feel free to subscribe to the channel, press the like, and write the comment about everything you want. So just make people see it. I don't know. I think it. Yeah, let me know in the comments what you would like to know more about rules in Norway, or about how to buy and sell things in Norway, or whatever. Just let me know. If I will don't know the answer, I will find out the right and correct answer. So I will answer to everyone. So just let me know. But yeah, that's really cool car for the 12,000 krones, which is 1,000 euros. Not this one. This one.